So, how is your experience in Amazon? Like so far in few minutes, just what you find good, bad, cost effective. You are missing something. What is your experience in 2 minutes?
I say this is a very good platform. Actually, people believe a lot because the
Mm-hmm.
services are very good and it is very, very
Mm-hmm.
customer friendly.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but what I feel that till now,
Mm-hmm.
Amazon has not done anything to promote our products. Like
Mm-hmm.
we are doing what is
Mm-hmm.
happening. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
as such, there is no support.
Mm-hmm.
The only thing our Amazon handler, what we say, is professional
Seller.
seller. The
Seller
company,
Central.
not seller center. The company who is giving that service.
Okay.
What is
Okay.
known as XYZ
I
professional
can.
hub.
Okay. Got that.
So they are doing some proportional activity. They are bidding
Mm-hmm.
to there's putting it in sponsored category.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is helping little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Such it has not helped like this platform per se. That Amazon is a very big platform, so
Mm-hmm.
the visibility is huge. That has
Mm-hmm.
not helped.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Actually,
And
what
see.
I have experienced out of Amazon is that it is
Mm-hmm.
very confusing.
Mm-hmm.
You know, everything takes a long time, and then,
Mm-hmm.
you know, we don't know what's happening. So many times, you know, we are not able to understand. Like,
Mm-hmm.
so many people tell us that, you know, they're trying to put in some reviews, but, you know, those reviews at times takes 10 days to
Mm-hmm.
be seen.
And for example, now suppose somebody is searching GlycoHub,
Mm-hmm.
so GlycoHub is coming on the first page,
Mm-hmm.
or it is
First
first
option.
option.
Mm-hmm.
Others.
So, you
So,
know, if there is a product specific search also,
mm-hmm.
still it is not coming on the top.
Means you are not managing all these presence. Someone else is managing this for you. Am I right? Like.
Largely, we are managing that company. I say just an eye wash.
Actually, what had happened was in the
Mm-hmm.
beginning,
Mm-hmm.
you know, we got a mail from Amazon saying that we can take their, you know, third party support, seller support. So we were new to it, and we were promised that they'll take care of everything. So we got very happy. You know, our headache will be not there, and they'll be able to manage
Means
everything.
you are familiar with the Seller Central interface. You guys are familiar with the Seller
Yes,
Central.
now, yes. So finally, what happened was we did the listing, we did everything. They are just there. So right now they're promoting our products. I think they're, you know, there's some 2000 credit or something they must have got while registering our company. So that they're using, and I don't know what they're doing, frankly, because I get these emails once in a week. But other than that, you know, there's no other output.
Okay, got that. Okay, so let me start this way. This is a mall. You can say that Amazon. We can treat it as a mall, and you have to create your own store. The maximum Amazon is giving you that you can set up your store free of cost.
Okay.
Right now, that thing if that store is visible or not, whether people are coming or having the footfall in that store is not, or whether you are able to sell your product or not, primarily Amazon is not going to help you in that. Except that they will give you the list of guidelines. They will give you, okay, this is the right way to do it. If you are doing it well, if you are not doing, then again, well, they are not coming forward exclusively to promote your product and services. So on any platform, I think I'm going to repeat it again. So creation is free, promotion is paid. Creating the presence is free. So if you know that, you can check any platform. Just go to any platform for any product and services. Creation is free. Facebook page is free. YouTube channel is free. Amazon product listing is free. LinkedIn company page is free. Quora, like everything is creation. You are opening the store is free. That is the only thing. We have the myth that okay, getting started with online is easy. Because if you are creating on the physical store, you have to invest in infrastructure and store and land, and that infrastructure required your cost. So that part is more or less free, but as soon as you, if you want to grow there, if you want to attract the traffic, they are looking for two things from you. First, they are dependent on your network. They want to consume, they want to use your network. So as a seller, they are expecting that you have done the product listing. Now take this URL and distribute this URL in all over your places. Now start promoting this URL.
Okay.
Now promote it on the Facebook, or promote it on the YouTube, or promote in your blog, or promote it on your website, or promote it in WhatsApp group, email marketing. Use entire digital marketing channel and promote this URL. So in fact, rather than Amazon is helping you, first you have to help Amazon. Because when I have clicked on the link you have shared with me, let's suppose you are sharing with me, okay, this is a good product, you can try this product, and when I have clicked here, so do you feel I'm going to open this, I'm going to buy this product only? No, I will go and explore further suggestions, and I will go and see, I will search for something else, I will go for another categories. I may buy, I may not buy. Right. So ultimately you have to think in that way. Creation, you are creating the presence free of cost. Next is, that is the best thing Amazon is giving you. Second thing, Amazon is giving you the guidelines, what kind of images you should be using, why you have not used the multiple image from the all, like you proper product photography, product videos. So product description, you can see that there is only one line in the product description. So product specifications, answer a lot of questions about the product, just write as much detailed product description. So if you are creating all those things, you are like from SEO point of view, from digital marketing point of view, from any point of view, you are contributing your entire energy to the Amazon, and then Amazon will give you some boost.
Okay.
So if you are following the Amazon guidelines, what is the Amazon guidelines is, write proper heading, have lot of product images, have video graph, product descriptions, collect lot of rating and reviews, answers all those FAQ, frequently asked questions, and make this price as less as possible, and like just can keep adding more details about the about this product, so that if customer is interested, they can make the decision. They can easily make the decisions. So much of information, like if on your behalf Amazon is selling your product, this is your sales representative. So this sales representative should be able to answer each and every questions a customer can have before buying it. So do you feel this listing is going to answer all the questions if I am a customer?
No.
So if some, until and unless some exclusively will told me, okay, go and buy this item, am I going to buy this? No. So as you are a user, if you will land, if someone share with this link with you, open the link and you have some questions, okay, is this, let's suppose this is for what, it's a diabetes, right? Diabetes. So before diabetes I have also a blood pressure, can I use this herb for blood pressure and diabetes also? Is the basic question. It can be the basic question. So to whom I will go and ask this answer? If you are not answering, I will look for some other alternative, because they are not going to report you, okay, you have not answered my question. Right. So it's a, you can say that it's a collaboration, it's a win-win for everyone. Yes, at the end of the day, but you have to contribute to the Amazon, then Amazon will give visibility to it. This is the thumb rule.
Okay.
Right. So the product listing, whoever has done the product listing, they have to invest more time in it. Right. So and that Seller Central guidelines is all about how your product should be listed. So in Amazon, three things you can keep in mind if you want this product to come on top. If let's suppose this is diabetes control herbal, if your first thing anywhere on any digital product on any digital platform, the first thing is the keyword. If you remember, in the first session I have started that first thing is the keyword. You must have the list of the keywords. So once you have that list of the keywords, you can use that keyword in website and on Facebook, on Amazon. So let's suppose you have this medicine on your website as well, and you have created a list of 10, 20, 15 keywords related to diabetes control or herbal diabetes control. This is the, let's suppose this your keyword is herbal remedies for diabetes control. Because this is not making sense. Diabetes control, herbal and natural. Is it making very? It's not very.
No.
It's not the direct keyword. I don't think it's going to be have a meaningful keyword. So we can use some tools. I have shared the tools with you. So you can use these tools to make. You can make a list of the keywords. First thing. And then you will start finding that if you are not if you don't know anything, just start finding those keywords in the Amazon and see that which product is coming on top. So here this product, this is called brand page. Cure Veda, this is called brand page, right? So here this is a brand page. Sponsored means the advertisement. Wherever it is a sponsored, this means advertisement. And I'm assuming whoever is sending you that report, they are sending you a report of this sponsored ad. Right. So they are as I said, creation is free. You have created a presence, but that your store is not ready to handle the footfall. Your store is not ready to serve your customer. Right. Even you have started promoting that page. So now advertisement, if you are giving money to the Amazon, why Amazon will say, no, I don't want money. Amazon is not going to say, okay, don't give me money. Right. So you want that all these are the sponsored product. So if you are running ad, chances are that your ad will appear here somewhere, wherever it's under the sponsored. Right. So right now I'm not going for this sponsored. I'm going for the natural result. This is the first listing I'm getting, organic one. This is called organic, free, Amazon SEO, whatever you want to say, you can say. This is not the sponsored result. This is the free result. This is also the free result. Now I will go and explore these listing one, a little bit of that. So control diabetes and sugar naturally. And Ayush 82 is the brand name. So this is the very good idea, that keyword plus brand. Like go digital with Bhavna. So go digital is the keyword. And with Bhavna is the brand. So in general, my rule is that in general, what I do, I use keyword first and brand later. Right. So whenever you are listing the product, this is called product title. If you are aware about the Seller Central, you can there is an option to write the product detail. Right. So that you have to write the whatever keyword research you have done, using that keyword, you will write a descriptive, meaningful title. And there the title, your brand name should be at the end. It's not it's not the rule. It's not that if you will not do that, Amazon will not provide you the listing, or Amazon will penalize you, nothing like that. But visibility, you will not get the visibility. Right. Second,
so like suppose what we could write, herbal remedy to cure diabetes, to control diabetes and sugar naturally.
Yes.
By so Health Roots.
By Health Root. Health Root is your brand. You can add Health Root at the end, because if your brand is not that big, people are not looking for Health Root. Till your brand is not becoming that big, people are looking for their own problem. So the priority is that we have to use their own language. Right. So what you should be writing, we can go to the like something like that, keywordtools.io. keywordtools.io, and here you can go for the Amazon keyword research, and there you can search for diabetes control. And here we want in India, Amazon, we are looking for Amazon keywords. Here we have given the any guess keyword. Here we have selected the location, and then you can then do the searches, and this will give a little bit of idea that where to get started with. So what people are searching: diabetes control product, diabetes control Ayurvedic, diabetes control powder, atta, rice. So diabetes, you can just try with the different keyword: diabetes control, natural diabetes control naturally, herbal diabetes control. So this way you can try few keywords. You can just select this keyword, copy this keyword. There are 27 keyword. Copy this keyword and add it in your Excel sheet. So here we can have an Excel sheet ready, and in this Excel sheet we will do that proper selection, that what keyword you should be using, what you should not be using. We can do that. Search volume should be significantly high, business logic should be there, competition should be less. So we will do little bit of that. It's not you need not to invest more than 10 minutes time in that. Means you should not go, okay, entire time you are investing only in the keyword research. So anytime you can go back and change it, right? So initially, overall your direction, overall your language should be friendly, SEO friendly. From that point of view, this is fair time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes for per keyword, per product. You can invest 10-20 minutes time for the keyword research, right? And this is not only for the Amazon. You can use same thing on your website, on your email marketing, on wherever, all the platform you can use these keywords, right? Once we have the list of the keyword, we will write the proper keyword, and we will write more meaningful and descriptive, and you can say that more clicks, because initially they are going to see the name only. Before coming to this page, they will say only name. So this name should be inviting enough to get the clicks, right? Second most important thing is about your price. After title, the price is one of the most important. Why price is? Amazon claim that it's a fair price market, right? So if you have used Seller Central, in Seller Central, when you list the product, they will give you the option the lowest price. If you have noticed that every product they give you the option, okay, if you are selling this product, the same product is listed in the minimum price. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, that it will happen when you are using any brand product. Let's suppose on Amazon you can do two kind of sell. One sell, the product is already listed and you are selling as yours.
Yeah, but these are new brands, so.
But if you have your new brand, then it's your own product. Right. So if this is the only product and no one is competing, or no one is like the same product is not listed on the Amazon, in that case Amazon will not give you the lowest price. Otherwise, in general, if you are selling like refrigerator, so the minimum price for that. So always Amazon create a competition between the seller to reduce the price. Right. So but you need not to fall in that trap. So whatever is the fair price, because if you will calculate, if you have done the mathematics, you will notice that 30 to 35% of the margin you are giving to the Amazon. You must be like, it's commission, then fixed cost, then like shipping cost, then there are, if you will calculate all these things, 30% minimum, 30% you are giving to the Amazon. So Amazon is here to make their own commission. Amazon is like first they want to they first want to make sure that they are not in they should be secure one. So on Amazon, what is the rule in general? Amazon strategy is to reduce the brand products price drastically. So all the big brand like Samsung or Apple or any big brand, if you will buy big brand, in general you will find that in local market you will find the price higher. So that is the point of, that is the reason people are coming on Amazon. So that is the strategy they are using to pull those crowd. Okay, you are buying Samsung phone. Samsung on local market is 5,000, on Amazon it's 4,500. Right. But when your brand is not known and then you will start competing with those prices, you will not survive. right? Because their brand, their Amazon is doing playing the role of volume game. They have very tightly negotiated with all those. So there we cannot survive with those kind of pricing strategy. So when you will look for the local product, when you look for, I mean to say that local, I don't mean to say that local, I mean to say that the product which is not, people are not searching for that product with a brand name, there you will find the Amazon price is comparatively higher than the local market. You will start noticing it. You will, if you will go for, let's suppose you are going for simple thing which is not a good, which is not a well-known brand, there you will find the price of that product is comparatively higher than the local market. But the strategy is attract people with the brand, and once they will they have a good experience, they will not, they will buy other products as well at the higher cost. For every product you are not going to do the price match, you are not going to do that comparison. Right. So Amazon want to give you the convenience. Amazon want to charge you for the convenience. As a consumer, Amazon is Amazon fundamental is give the convenience and then make the money. Like you can get the product at home, and whenever you want to return, you can return. If you want to replace, you can replace. So that kind of convenience Amazon want to give the as an experience, but the product, they don't want to reduce the product. Right. So I would suggest don't fall in that trap of reducing the product. Amazon will keep asking, if you will manage your Seller Central, Amazon will give you the reason why you should reduce the product price. Right. But yes, fairly, whatever is your like margin, and you can calculate all the other things, and whatever, even you people do the double, like price double, they do the double pricing, and then they reduce, they give the discount. So pricing is double, and
so
then
many times I've also seen it.
Right. So that you can do, fairly you can do. Means it's like if your genuine price is 1,000 rupees, it's okay. If you can, if MRP is 2,000, you can see 2,000, and then pricing is 1,000. You can give the 50% discount.
But we can't write more than the MRP, right?
Oh, okay. No. You can't. This is the compliance. This is the
yeah, because so many times I've read in the review that seller has written in other products.
No,
so many times
and also for that, this is a, like you can say that this is the legal action can be taken. So that precautions you have to take. MRP should not exceed the MRP. Right. Second thing, the content. Now look for the content. You can just add as much content as possible. As much, all the FAQs, all the keywords, using those keywords, all the descriptions, specifications, like even if you can give them something like see, this money back guarantee, or any kind of guarantee or warranty, or these words are very, very popular in e-commerce industry. Right. So even if you are giving them, let's suppose on your website, you are giving them 100% money back guarantee within 30 days. Right. So that will increase your number of sales minimum by 30%, 25 to 30%. Right. And now even if people are asking for the money back, 5 to 10% people will ask for the money back. Right. So if you will say that this word is going to increase the number of sales by 10-20%. But you have to I'm just sharing from generic point of view. You have to look for your audience, your product, you have to also keep that in mind. But here you should be writing as much content as possible. Here you can see that sold by. This is the name of the seller. So let me see your product. What is the seller name? So apart from the product ranking, there is a seller ranking. So how they manage the product ranking? Whenever a sale will happen, this the product ranking will be adjusted to the total number of products present on Amazon and the total number of product available in that category. So every product have a product rank. If the product rank is lower the product rank, the more sale is happening for that product. So as soon as you are reducing the, like your product rank is let's suppose 100. So product rank is 100 means like very frequently people are buying your product. But if your product rank is 10 lakh, means in once in a month they are buying your product. So as soon as someone will, as the frequency of buy will increase, like every hour someone is buying, so every hour your product ranking will improve. The better the product.
And can we see that ranking?
Yes. There are two ranking. One is the category ranking and one is the product ranking. Can you see that? Seller ranking is 17,000. This is this now.
Okay.
Right. And here giving see the top 10 in health and personal care. So what you have to do, we have to find the product rank, we have to improve our product ranking and we have to improve our seller ranking. And in Amazon,
and where's the product ranking?
You have to improve the product ranking. Product ranking, the number of sale will happen, product will ranking will improve.
No, where can we see it?
So while you listing the product.
Okay.
While you are listing on the
in
product
the seller central page.
Seller central page.
Okay.
So you can see the sell and then if that product, like whenever you are selling the product, whenever there is a sell, purchase is happening, checkout is happening, payment is happening, that rank will improve in that category and rank will improve on overall Amazon things, right? So the better the product ranking, higher the visibility you will get. So it's directly proportional to the number of sell. Now, how you are going to improve that sell, it's totally up to you. It's not, Amazon is not going to help much in that. So either you can run advertisement or you can take this link and share in your social media, or you can ask your friend and families to buy it. So whatever way you are, Amazon is dependent on your network. For this, for new product, I mean to say that for new product. Once your product ranking will increase, once your visibility will increase, then automatically your product will comes under 100, or product will start appearing. If you are writing lot of content, that product listing will start appearing in the Google search. So once the visibility, then it will increase, but initially you have to work very hard on that. Right, so this is there. And then rating and reviews. So rating and reviews, if you are selling on the Amazon, 3 things you have to dedicatedly manage every single day. Every single day you can't afford to miss that. First is refund replacement. If someone has bought your product and they have returned it, so your cost is going to, like, it's a 3-time loss, isn't it? So you are paying for sending them, you are paying for getting them returned, getting the return, and then again you are paying them for the new product shipping. So as a seller, you have 3 times loss. Right. So you have to make sure that how you can minimize your refund and return, return and replacement. Right. So if you can manage, and it cannot be managed easily, you have to dedicatedly, you have to be very, very, very proactive. As a seller, someone is asking the question, because whenever you are selling, like on Amazon, there are 3 kind of product. If you'll say there are 3 kind of product. One is sold by seller. Right. Another is sold by Amazon. And another is sold by seller but fulfilled by Amazon. There are 3 categories. So Amazon have 3 different treatment but for these 3 categories. So if it is sold by seller and fulfilled by seller, means seller is selling and they are also managing the shipping and return and refund and customer care, everything they are managing themselves, then there is a different treatment for that. And if you are sold by seller but fulfilled by Amazon, in that case, that your product, you are paying to the Amazon to have a storage at the Amazon place. And third is sold by seller, like I can show you future, like future of the Amazon is either like sold by Amazon and fulfilled by Amazon, or sold by seller, fulfilled by Amazon. The future of these two is going to, I would say, the kind of strategy I can see in the Amazon. I'm not saying that it's not any internal use. What are the pattern I am finding? Right. So if you are selling and you are fulfilling, then you have to take all the possible care, because I think as a seller you might have signed the A to Z claim, guarantee claim, A to Z guarantee claim. Have you signed that terms and conditions? So as a seller, if you no, you haven't signed that. So as a seller, I mean to say that you might not. I mean to say that you might not have noticed that, but Amazon have the control. If you are not fulfilling, if you are not responding to your buyers on time within 48 hours, if your product is damaged and the customer has complained and you have not taken care of it, or there are something you are not taking care of your customers the way Amazon want you to take care of, Amazon is like a customer can complain and Amazon will directly deduct money from your account for that product. Amazon will refund the item. Amazon will refund those things to the buyer, and they will take money from your account without asking, without any permission. So that is the one thing, that is called A to Z claim. Right. So if like you are making money and a few cases such cases will happen, and you are monetary, you are at loss, and your seller ranking will drop.
Okay, like I want to ask you, like 2-3 times what has happened with us is, like ours is a non-returnable product. Okay, so 2-3 times it is. Yeah, so 2-3 times it has happened that somebody has placed the order and then did not receive it. So the product came back to us. So in that case, we will only be paying for the shipping and everything?
Yes. Amazon is not going to pay anything. Amazon is only giving you to create this page. Amazon has given you this URL.
Okay.
Except this, yes, except this URL, everything Amazon will make it a point to ask, get paid for every single thing.
Even if the product is on FBA?
In FBA, you are paying for the storage per square feet per day.
Okay, but we'll have to pay for the return.
No, return and refund Amazon will manage. In FBA case, return, refund, customer care, Amazon will manage.
No, but what about the cost? Will they, will we have to pay in case a person rejects the product?
Suppose the person does not accept the product once it reaches to his home, then it will come back to the FB center. Then who will pay for the freight?
No, so in FBA cases, primarily there's a combined package. Package to store your product, to ship your product.
So will they deduct that money? Suppose if I say MRP 720, the FBA package is 120 rupees. The product goes to the customer and it comes back. Will they deduct 120 rupees from that?
No, I think no. That is if they are managing them as a package, like they will manage, because they are the customer care, refund, replacement, and storage and shipping. These as a
suppose somebody orders my MyGo Hub, the MRP of MyGo Hub is 460 rupees, okay, and somebody is not Prime member, and Amazon is charging 50 rupees for the transport.
Yes.
So will they give that money to us? Will they give that money to us?
Not. What is FBA terms and condition? You have to look for that.
Okay.
You have to look for that. I'm not 100% sure that how they are charging in the case of FBA, but that one thing is for every single calculation, either a customer is paying or Amazon seller is paying.
Okay.
Either the customer or the seller.
So definitely customer is not paying if he's rejecting a product. So that means the seller is paying.
Seller is paying, yes.
And how can we get to know all this?
So in your Seller Central report section, so you will have a report section in the Seller Central. Should I open Seller Central once? Now you got this idea that you have to product listing is clear, little bit of that. Product, you have to play with three things. First thing, lots. You can see that if this product is coming on top, and you can see that how many number of images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images, 1 videos. So at least you should have 7 images and 1 video.
Okay.
Right. So they are price wise, you can do a little bit of tweaking around this price. If this price is coming on top, you can also price wise, you cannot go very high, but yes, moderately you can tweak around this price. And third thing, this is the part of listing only, that description, specification, and title, and all this is a part of Amazon SEO. I will give you if you will say, I will give you the checklist of that when you are listing the product, where you can use all those keywords, right? So here this is the part of product listing, and third is most important, rating and reviews. So rating and reviews here, which is visible.
And reviews.
This rating and reviews, which is visible. But in algorithm, sorry.
Are there any invisible reviews also?
No, seller reviews. No, seller. That means this reviews your end user can read, and that can influence the decision of the buyers. Right. So this.
And how many days it takes for the review to surface?
If they are the verified buyers, it should be within 24 hours.
Okay.
Within 24 hours.
Do all the reviews need to be verified?
Verified buyers.
Like only if you buy it, then only from the buyers, not otherwise.
No, otherwise.
But there's so many reviews I see on products which does not have verified purchase.
Okay, it's not like a verified purchase you will get on top, but you can do the review only and only when you have bought the product. Verified purchaser means
no, without buying also we can.
No, you can do in the like you can do the community contribution. You can do the community, that is called community contribution. So if someone is writing helpful,
suppose if you see this one, verified.
Yeah, it works.
Look, verified. Yeah, this one.
This one.
Amit Kumar. This is not verified. He's not.
This is not verified. It doesn't mean they are not buyer. Review link will be available only to the buyers. Review link when
I can write. No, because I had written for my product once, then I deleted it later.
No, if that is the community part, like that can be like if you, whenever you are getting the review link, like let's suppose you want to, here as a user, can I write the review for this?
Yeah.
From where I can write?
There's an option to write. So there's an option you can write.
But that is called if they are not verified one. Generally, whenever someone is buying the product, they are going to get this link to review it.
So like how you have gotten the review right now.
Here
so you can write the review.
Here this is called community contribution. Means if I'm giving a review, and let's suppose I'm not going to write it, if I'm adding a photographs and adding a title, and here this will not appear as a verified review. This will termed as community contribution.
But then the customers don't come to know about that now. In case if somebody knows about verified versus non-verified, like now I know because I'm a seller. But all these years till I was a customer, I never noticed it.
Yes, and people report that, and they have the dedicated team to manage this. Like whenever they will feel any kind of suspicion or any kind of reports, and if that will happen, your that review will be removed automatically.
Okay.
Right, and even they give the incentive. If you are a buyer, if you are giving the review, if you are a verified buyer, verified purchaser, and you are giving the review, they give the incentive to the buyers to in the some Amazon like cashback or some Amazon pay balance to they can use in. So they give proper incentive to the verified buyer to write the review.
Okay.
Right. So okay, review is
how can we you were asking me, how can we make our own store in Amazon? Suppose my
brand
company
store. Yes, brand store. Brand store in Amazon seller only. Amazon Seller Central, you have the option of, here I'm concluding and going to the Amazon Seller Central, right?
Okay, one more thing. You were saying every day we should look after 3 things. One is return. What are the other 2 things?
Rating and reviews. So somehow if someone has bought it, so right now they are knowing Amazon, but your idea is that somehow make that customer your loyal follower. Now they can recognize you as a independent seller on the Amazon. So either,
so what we should do in that?
So let me show you. Beta, just can you give me that जो Amazon के साथ आया था वो?
Suppose somebody is complaining, where will it appear?
There only in the review.
In the review.
Only review.
No, apart from that, people can come. If they are see, this rating and review is 100% going to influence the buyer's decision.
I agree, because even I see the rating and review before buying.
Right. So they have that there is a dedicated team. इस computer के table पे ही है. आप हटाओ इसको. हटाओ पूरा कपड़ा हटाओ. Yes, वहाँ पे. वहीं नीचे देखो ना. उसके पास टेबल, कीबोर्ड के पास. Oh, okay. No. So I just want to show you. I'm not sure. I will share the photographs of this on. This is one of the product. In general, I got this kind of. I got this kind of cheat inside the product. So. It's written, dear customer, congratulations, you are eligible for rupees 50 cashback or 1 year of warranty on our product. Avail this offer in few steps. Go to my order in your Amazon and give your reviews on our product. So this and there you can also take a screenshot of that review and feedback and send it on the WhatsApp number, given the WhatsApp number, or alternatively you can mail to us at this email ID. So this is not given by the Amazon. This is not sent by the Amazon. Seller is putting this cheat on my.
But is it okay? Is Amazon okay with this?
No, Amazon don't want you to. No, Amazon don't want to interact with the, like, as per the Amazon policies. Amazon and buyer should not interact with each other outside Amazon platform. Right. So they encourage all the communication you should do on the Amazon platform itself. Right. But see, if you are so much doing on the Amazon, but when Amazon change the policy, when Amazon increases or decreases their charges, when Amazon will it's everything in the Amazon control. What they are trying to do, they are trying to create their own list of loyal customers. So once you will write a review, once you will get the 50 rupees cash back, sometime you will get that, okay, you buy the same product on my website and I will give you this much of discount or something like that. So at the end of the like 5 years, 10 years, 7 years down the line, you end up creating your own loyal customer. Now to buy the product, if they are like this, all these products are recurring product, isn't it? Your products mostly are recurring product. Every month they have to buy, or word of mouth recommendations will be a lot for your product. Right. So in that case, every time if you are sending them on Amazon, they are lost. They end up buying some, I don't know, they might get distracted very easily. So in case of a recurring product, in case of like that kind of word of mouth recommended product, it's always good idea to build your community in on wherever you want to build that community. Start building the community of your own.
At times I have read reviews in which people have written this, that, you know, people write good reviews only because the seller has to ask them to write for some gains. Okay. So is Amazon okay then in case Amazon comes to know?
See, till someone is not reporting it, it's like you can give it. Amazon is giving incentive to write the review. There's nothing wrong in this, because what that seller is saying, go to the order page and share your reviews. If you have bad experience, no one is stopping you to write the bad experience. Now, so as a seller, you will contact us and you will say, okay, you are unhappy with my product, I will compensate it. And this is what customer as a Amazon also want, to have a good seller and buyer repo. So if that product experience is bad, you will not buy that. Even you will write, you may go and write the reviews for 50 rupees. Are you going to buy the product again for that 50 rupees?
No.
No. So here baseline, we are assuming that our product is 10 on 10. We are assuming that we are going to have a repeat customer. Right. So if those kind of thing, even it's a short-term tricks, will not go very long-term if the product is not that right. Right. So I have myself, I'm sharing my experience. I have got, again, before that, I also got this kind of things, and I have made it a point to use that product for a week and then decided not to write a review. Because
what will you do with that?
Yeah, because whatever they have claimed on that like earphone or whatever that was the product, whatever they are claiming on this website, they are not fulfilling that claim. Right. So encouraging your user to write the review is all fine. Right. If they are the genuine buyers, they are not going to write a good review if they are not happy. Right. So right, so here you can play with that. And third things, you have to take care of the freshness of the content. So here Amazon feel that whenever you are adding some new thing, if you are adding, if you're changing the price by 1 rupees, 1 rupees less, 1 rupees high, or you are changing the title, or you are changing any kind of changes you are doing, so that will be treated as the fresh, like you have make that page better for your end user.
Okay.
So whenever you are doing that changes, means Amazon is individually not coming and seeing that what changes you have done, but their algorithm can, if whatever change you will do, what change you will do to improve the user experience?
Title, or, you know, something add in the content, or a photo.
Yes. So all these are what, at the end of the day, all these is going to add value to the Amazon user.
Okay.
Isn't it? If Amazon algorithm is finding, okay, what number of product today getting changed, so they assuming that you have improved. You have
Amazon encourages if you keep changing.
Yes, in editing. Yes.
Even pictures, they keep changing pictures, add more pictures.
Yes.
Okay.
The more things you are adding, Amazon treated that you are improving your presence for end user. Means we have changed the title, means Amazon think that you have written better title.
Okay.
If you have added the description, Amazon think that you have added more information for the end user. So any kind of, if Amazon has to choose in the category, Amazon will prefer to choose those pages which is recently edited, recently updated. Right. So that way the freshness of the content you can keep in mind, like return, refund, replacement, freshness of the content, and the rating and reviews, and the pricing factor. So these are the, this is called organic part.
Yeah.
This is called, you are not paying for that, but organic, wherever organic means contribute more content to the Amazon. Add more value to the user. Right?
Right.
Right. So now come to the paid one. So paid is always, I can say that paid is always, you can say that मंदिर में जो line लगती है, like we have मंदिर में special line होती है जो लोग पैसा देते हैं. Right, that is the same story here. Doesn't matter आप कितना भी बोल लो कि why Amazon is giving that plus preference to this, or but जो लोग भी paid ad चलाते हैं उनको benefits मिलते हैं. Organic में भी मिलता है और paid ad में तो immediate instant मिलता है. Means if you are running the paid ad and you stop running your paid ad after some time, like not stop, when you are running a paid ad, your organic presence will get little bit of better visibility. So if, for even for this small,
how we manage, like how we come to know how much we're spending, what is bidding,
yes, all
is it
these
fruitful or not?
All the things are reported under the Seller Central advertisement.
Can you tell me, like, from where can I
let me
draw
show
these
you.
conclusions?
Yes. See, as a business owner, or as a, like, if you are created this presence, here you can start advertisement from directly from here, and Seller Central is here. So as a seller on the Amazon, if someone else is managing this, once you are done, once you have the basic understanding, once you have created the checklist, once you have created the guidelines that whoever is updating the product, they have to update at least these 10-20 things. So then you can delegate the things to anyone. Once you have decided, okay, every product must have a keyword research title, and then brand name, and then the description line must be 100 characters, there must be at least 5 images, there must be one collection of videos, or there must be price range between this and this, there must be whatever sale is happening, every customer must get a SMS or WhatsApp or something to incentive to write the reviews on that. Once these basic things are in place, so now you can delegate this thing to anyone. So before delegating, you have that checklist ready. So if you are managing my brand store, this is the minimum. This is called brand store. Here you are talking about brand store. So if you have your own brand, you can go for the brand store. In that brand store, all the products will belongs to you only. What is your
like
brand?
Our brand,
Our is Health Roots.
Space in between.
Is this
no?
There
Health gap.
There are two different words, two separate words. Health Roots. हाँ. नहीं healthy roots में नहीं है. No, not
Health Roots.
Only health.
अच्छा वो ब्रांड नेम में ना जॉइन ब्रांड लिखा हुआ, इसलिए नहीं आ रहा. उसमें माइगो अब होगा.
ब्रांड नेम में क्या आपने अभी बताया था ना, कुछ दूसरे नाम से भी है हमारा.
नहीं, I will tell you.
नहीं, प्रोडक्ट का नाम आना चाहिए इसमें ब्रांड नेम में कि हमारे ब्रांड का नाम.
I would like to show you our what you say.
Seller Central.
Seller Central और क्या बोलते हैं इस पेज को?
listing वाला.
The listing page.
The product description page.
You can share. You can share your screen. I'm just making you host. You can share the screen.
Will you be able to see your screen? How?
Yes. You can share. Definitely. I will make you host and then you can share the screen.
अच्छा, तो अपने खोले एक बार अपना.
खुला हुआ ही होगा I think. एक बार I think पहले accept कर लो. Have you made us the host?
Yes.
अब देखो.
This is the one.
Can you see it?
No, you have to share it. There is a new share option in your green color new share. There you have to click on the green color and then you have to select the screen and then you have to share with me. Zoom का जो पैनल होगा उसमें शेयर.
वेब नहीं गूगल.
ये जो ब्लैक कलर का एक पैनल होता है Zoom का.
Screen broadcast.
Not screen broadcast. New share. Share करके new share.
Share content.
I'm pausing my share.
Yes.
हाँ, now I think I can share. I can see.
अब देखो.
अभी आएगा. मुझे लगता है अभी दिख रहा है. Divine has shared the screen.
Can you see?
So अभी वो दिख नहीं रहा है. It will take 1 second time, but it will appear. Have you started sharing? Has shared the screen, but this is a blank screen. So have you selected the screen which you want to share? Like you have to select the particular browser or file or something or entire screen. You have to select.
So, and where do we get the option to select?
So when you click on the share screen, the share screen, and there are so many windows will appear, and you can select first window. In that case, the entire screen will be shared.
The share content you mean, na? The green color arrow on top, share content.
Yes.
So there we have screen. Should I press screen?
Yes.
Then it comes screen broadcast. Everything on your screen, including notifications, will be recorded.
Okay. Is there any other option as well?
Then photos, iCloud.
Yes, I can see. I think I can see your screen. Your screen, broadcast, photos, iCloud. Yes, I think I can see. I can see.
How do I open Seller Central from here?
Now you can start sharing the screen. Click on that screen. Okay. So, yeah, it's Seller Central. I can see.
Okay, she could see.
You can see.
Abhi dikha tha. Yes. Now I can see.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So here, as a seller, you have to invest a lot of time in the report section to understand what's happening.
Reports, should I open?
Yes.
Now?
Business reports. Start with that business report. Here, scroll down. There you will start spending more time on this. Right. So just make you familiar with these words, like what does means that number of sales, traffic, CTR, these words. If you will open that that report to me, I will explain that what does all those mean.
What should I open?
The reports which someone has shared with you.
Okay, that was on my email.
Okay, so leave it. Then leave it. If you want to share, you should be familiar with those words so that when I will explain this report, you will be able to understand better.
I can open it on my phone.
Yes, you can open. Here, this is the sales report, and apart from that, number of impressions, like how they are calculating this much, that return on investment, what is your goal. So that report you can understand. These words are you can understand.
So in that report, it says daily budget, then impressions.
Okay, so that is impression is, you have to understand impression. What is impression? Impression is whenever your product is appearing to the end user, that is impression.
Okay, only appearing.
Right. Appearing. If let's open the Amazon, let's open Amazon.com or .in, like open Amazon here.
Amazon.in.
.in and search anything.
New.
Is it okay to continue one more hour, like 2 hours continuous is fine?
You want to do it in the morning? Are you free, Bhavna ji, tomorrow?
Yes, I can manage. I can manage.
1 second, it's gone. Yeah. So, can we do it in the morning?
Yeah.
Anytime.
So tomorrow you want to continue right now, or you want to continue tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I think so.
Tomorrow.
Okay, it's fine. So let me just explain these words so that when we will start reading your reports directly.
Okay.
Right. So here I have that report in my hand. I can just explain this to you. You can open at your end as well. So this is your daily budget. Daily budget means every day on an average how much you are spending. It's 204 rupees. So someday you might be spending 150 rupees. Someday you might be spending 250 rupees. But on an average, you are spending 204 rupees per day on the advertisement.
Directly no, so this will be deducted from our account directly. Amazon will deduct it from our account directly.
So in the advertisement, whatever payment method you might have selected, according to that amount will get deducted. So whatever the billing information you have selected in your Amazon advertisement, there is an advertisement tab in your Seller Central. You will go to the advertisement. There you can go to the billing information, and in the billing information, whatever payment methods you have added, from there it will be deducted.
Okay.
Right. Impression is someone is searching and your ad is appearing. That have you seen that sponsored is sponsored is sponsored? So that is the number of impression.
But not necessarily that they have visited our page.
No. Someone has, like, if I have clicked and 5 sponsored ad was appearing there, so all those 5 will be reported 1 impression.
Oh. सबको impression निकल चलेगा ना?
Yes, सबको जो impression count मिलेगा वो सबको मिलेगा. Right. Send the number of clicks. अब वो 5 ad दिख रही थी and one ad has got the clicks. So that advertiser will get reported you have received 1 click. Right. So now you can see that number of click. How many number of clicks you have? 14. So now you can calculate from here what is the cost per click.
Okay, so 204 divided by 14.
Exactly, 204 divided by 14. Right.
That is huge.
Even yes, it's per click you are paying. This is per click you are paying. And
it's number very costly, of more than Google Ads, I think. It's very costly, isn't it?
So you have to compare. I don't this industry I have to do the research to decide that, but yes, you have to compare. And if you want to know the cost per impression, cost per impression, in general, these platform will charge you for per impression, not for the clicks, not for the sale.
Okay.
Actual जो आपको charge होता है वो per impression के लिए ही charge होता है. Actually वो per impression नहीं बोलते हैं, per 1000 impression बोलते हैं.
Okay. पर click के per impression.
So again, while setting up the advertisement, there are different type of campaign you can set up, and according to the different campaign, you have different bidding. This is called bidding strategy. CPC, cost per click; CPM, cost per 1000 impression; CPA, cost per acquisition; CPS, cost per sale. So according to the different terms and condition, you may have different eligibility, and according to that eligibility and according to the campaign goal. अभी जो आप campaign चला रहे हैं वो किस objective से चला रहे हैं, उसके according you have the option to choose कि आप अभी for this campaign how you want to pay. CTR is click through rate. So click-through rate is number of clicks divided by number of impression multiplied by 100. So this is the one thing, if you have to work towards, this is the best thing to work towards.
Okay.
In the advertisement, if you have to keep one thing in mind कि मुझे, जैसे मैंने आपको SEO में एक दो चीज बताई थी कि आप केवल इस चीज पे ध्यान दो, अपने लोड टाइम पे ध्यान दो, टाइम स्पेंड पे ध्यान दो, तो पूरे एड में अगर सबसे ज्यादा एवरीडे आपको किसी को टारगेट देना है तो आप बोलो कि मेरा CTR बढ़ाओ. Because it's all the play of the clicks. If you are not getting the clicks, so sales is far away.
How will he manipulate to increase number of clicks?
By
what is his intent?
Yes, when they are setting up the ad, there are different ad component. So that ad component is the title of the product, image of the product, description of the product, cost of the product, offer of the product. So if all these elements combined together is creating that presence. So if you are not creative enough to invest your time and involvement while creating that ad, you are not going to get the clicks. और impressions आएंगे, clicks नहीं आएंगे, तो वो तो दिखेगा कि लोगों को है, लेकिन आपको result कुछ नहीं आएगा. मतलब clicks, everything is revolving around clicks.
CPC is click per?
CP is cost per click. CP is cost per click. Right, the number of order is 1. So now you can say that कि आपका per sale कितना cost है?
204.
Total advertisement budget is your number of you can say that. So order to
the thing is that how can we say that this was converted through clicks? The possibility somebody might have recommended the product, either myself or some of my colleague or anybody else. So that doesn't mean that I'm getting proper ROI.
You have to go and check to the advertisement tab and see that whether that click has from the advertisement or whether the click is from the organic or whether the click is the direct.
Okay, we can get to know it through Seller Central.
Yeah, you can get to know. जैसे अभी आपने मुझे WhatsApp पे share किया था, मैंने click किया और buy किया. So that is a direct click. That is a direct click. It's not the advertisement click. It's not the SEO click. It's not the any other click. So they will go. They will give you the source of the traffic.
Bhavna, suppose I'm searching joint blend on Amazon. Okay, MyGoHub. Say it MyGoHub. Okay, and now it is appearing MyGoHub. Okay, on the first page, first thing, but it is written sponsored over there.
Okay, yes, 100% possible. 100% possible. That will be reported under advertisement because वो ना sponsor पे click किया. But there, how you can check it? It's a brand search.
Okay, somebody
brand
typed
search.
in MyGoHub.
Brand search का you can see that कि ये जो search result आया वो किस keyword पे आया था.
All this information is available.
All this number of keys.
Yeah, exactly. So suppose
joint
yesterday,
pain.
Suppose yesterday somebody bought it, MyGoHub. So can I see that whether it was done through search or through advertisement or sponsored?
Exactly. You can see it.
Okay. Then it's good. Okay. Yeah. Then we can calculate the ROI properly.
Yes, you can see that कि आपका जो clicks आया था वो organic था या paid था.
वो कहाँ से देख सकते हैं?
वो performance report.
Okay.
Tomorrow you tell us that.
Yes, performance report and reports में आप जाके देखेंगे. और advertisement में भी आपको दिखेगा. But in advertisement में what you can keep in mind कि someone is doing the brand search, तो do you feel कि वो जो brand search है वो आपके किसी friend family ने किया है या brand search कोई generic user कर रहा है या friend and family कर रहे हैं?
वो कैसे कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, ब्रांड सर्च अगर हो रहा है तो कोई जानने वाला ही कर रहा है ना.
अच्छा.
हाँ, जिसको मालूम है नाम,
आपको नाम मालूम है, वही लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं. राइट. लेकिन अगर कोई जेनेरिक कीवर्ड है, जॉइंट पेन रेमेडी, और तो दैट मींस कि वो और मतलब वो जो है उसमें उस केस में उसने एडवर्टाइजमेंट में एफर्ट किया है आपकी विजिबिलिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए.
ब्रांड सर्च. व्हाट इज स्पेंड एंड सेल्स?
व्हाट इज स्पेंड? टोटल स्पेंड.
स्पेंड्स 53 रुपीस.
सो इसमें उसके अलावा लाइक इट्स अ टोटल डेली बजट के अलावा स्पेंड्स हैं इतने.
अच्छा, मतलब ये स्पेंड एक्स्ट्रा.
हाँ एक्स्ट्रा है. एंड द सेल्स इज आपका टोटल सेल कितना हुआ, मींस आपने 200 रुपए लगा करके आपको कितना मिला.
Okay.
आपका सेल्स अल्टीमेटली एट द एंड ऑफ द रेल, अगर आपको और कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है तो आप ये फिगर तो आप देखते ही रहो कि नंबर ऑफ सेल्स कितनी हुई है, जो सेल्स का फिगर है वो कितना है,
वो 460 की
तो इसमें ऑर्गेनिक शो नहीं करेगा ना?
नहीं, अगर ये कैंपेन है, कैंपेन का मतलब इन जनरल हम लोग बोलते हैं पेड एड। जैसे as soon as we are saying campaign, it's back of the mind, it's a paid ad. Right. So advertisement cost, and it's written that advertisement cost per sale. So 13% they have given in the return on investment. Now how it is 762%, I'm not sure.
I don't know. Yeah, it's weird.
So return on investment. So what now it's very statically you have to decide that कि आपके लिए return का मतलब क्या है.
Whether 2 times, 3 times, 4
yes,
times.
आपके लिए return का मतलब number of impressions है, number of clicks है, number of sales है. That return you are like, what is your end goal? But in e-commerce, in Amazon, the end goal is very clear. So in that point of view, if you are making the number of sales is your end goal, that 762% is not your like number of sale is not the return on investment. This is not matching. So now you have to find the reason कि आप उनके लिए return का मतलब क्या है, आपके लिए return का मतलब क्या है. Are both of you are on the same page or not? So you can ask them कि okay, number of return आप मुझे return on investment आप समझाओ, और इसमें return को क्या calculate कर रहे हैं, कौन सा parameters है जो return के तौर पे calculate किया जा रहा है. If they are saying number of impressions है या number of clicks है या, so you can say that okay, नहीं, I want it to be the number of sale, the total sales. Okay. Or you can decide that what parameters you want to increase. Right. So here
Bhavna ji, do you have anybody who is very good in this Amazon handling? Since you are from Amazon, so you would have an idea.
See, in Amazon, I cannot recommend anyone in the Amazon, but let me see if I know I have given the entire batch was there. उनको मैंने Amazon Seller Central की training दी थी, and what they are doing these days, I have to go and check that कि वो आजकल क्या
actually ये जो professional third party हैं, all these people have taken Amazon Central training.
Yes,
but
I understand.
But they are not good enough because they don't know. It's me who has to call them up, and still they do not give answers. They keep saying, "Ma'am, bidding kar to rahe hain," but you're not happy basically with the effort they are putting in. So if you know somebody personally,
let me check and then I will share with you.
See, so, somebody who can do this thing on routine basis, who can guide us how to modify the keywords, how to put more content, then bidding and all that. So, because I know at this juncture, the Amazon sale will be very important for us because our website is not very visible and it will take time. Okay, so Amazon is very important for us. If somebody guides us properly on routine basis, so it will be huge boon for us. So if you can guide us, you can tell us, suggest us anybody who is good in Amazon per se.
I will find. I will see. I have given so much of. So many people are in my touch, but I cannot recall immediately because I generally interact with the people in batches. जो लोग हैं और जो 1-to-1 वाले हैं वो मोस्टली बिजनेस ओनर्स होते हैं, तो वो तो खुद ही कैंडिडेट खोज रहे होते हैं. राइट. तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना होता है, मैं एक छोटा सा मतलब आपसे मैं इस पोजीशन के बारे में पूछ लूंगी कि हाँ, आई जस्ट गिव अ एंटायर ग्लिम्स एंड देन आई विल शेयर इन दैट ग्रुप एंड देन आई विल स्क्रीन द कैंडिडेट. इफ यू विल से, आई विल स्क्रीन द कैंडिडेट फॉर यू. अदरवाइज
one more request we had, like and by the way, this is the weekend, even you have to start with our website, right?
Yes, I have started with it but not completed yet. वो approx 40 points का मैंने checklist निकाला है आपकी website के लिए. तो let me see if I will complete. I haven't gone into that formalities to create the proposal and all that.
No, we don't want the formality.
Right. एक बस Excel sheet में मैंने pointers note किए हुए हैं और उस Excel sheet में मैंने एक timeline डालना है. अब pointers मैंने सारे note कर दिए कि करना क्या क्या है. Right. I just want to put the timelines कि उसको मैं कब कब कैसे कर सकती हूँ. And then I will share that Excel sheet and there we will discuss that. Done.
Okay. And you know,
Right.
I had another request actually. So now that you know you'll be taking care of the website at least for next 10 hours. And you know, till the time you get free and you set up your office and all. So what we were thinking is we will at least, you know, hire somebody
Definitely.
to start with.
Yes.
So
yes.
you know, can you, like, you know, talk to that person and judge from our behalf whether, you know, he's the right candidate for the time being?
Yes, that is, again, you can say that for me it's an entire business model inviting me to do that, but I haven't started yet. Like,
No,
I
but can
just
you
just 5 minutes brief conversation that we can take
Yes.
on conference call. Conference call, okay. At least ऐसा ना हो कि बिल्कुल fraud निकले
Oh
कि ना
नहीं, yeah,
ये
that
छोटी bogus.
I'm there. That I'm there. If
and
if
then you know and then even in future you know, he can keep consulting you, like how we are consulting you
yes,
now.
yes,
You
yes,
know?
yes, yes.
So maybe, you know, in a week,
Twice in a week,
twice in a week, or
for 1 hour.
At least I can see the reports.
Yeah.
At least share that, okay,
Yeah.
this is where you are. You have to work hard. This is where you are going good. This is there you can improve better. So yes, that is the one thing I can do fantastically well.
Okay.
That is actual. I'm very good in that.
Okay.
Because
you know, though those people will also be serious, like they're not any big names. I think they're just starting out with the new venture. So the thing is actually the graphic there's this boy who makes graphics for us, so it's his team and his friends. So you know, under your guidance, if you know, they can keep working and you can guide them, say twice, thrice in a week, or whatever the need is.
Yes. Like, because see, I have entire, like, after my initial years, I have worked as like I was handling the 10 people of 50 people and approx 120 or 150 clients. तो मेरा काम ही होता था कि क्लाइंट के चीज को रिवाइज करके, उसको स्ट्रेटजी करके, उसको डेलीगेट करना कि भाई ये करो, ऐसे करो, यहाँ करो, और उनको क्लाइंट का रिपोर्ट से भेजने से पहले उनको लगे ये ऐसा क्यों कर दिया. So that I can definitely I can do it very easily and effortlessly. But doing it myself,
so tomorrow
yes,
maybe tomorrow when we have a session, maybe we can do, like, you know, 5 minutes call with that boy.
Definitely, you can share their CV,
or
his or CV with me earlier before have call.
Okay.
उनका जो प्रोफाइल होगा वो थोड़ा बहुत शेयर कर दे. हाँ, थोड़ा सा प्रोफाइल, कोई प्रोजेक्ट पे काम किया हो कुछ.
Fine.
Tomorrow we'll discuss Seller Central and
Seller Central reports. Like Seller Central बहुत बड़ा है, तो Seller Central में performance report advertisement tab. Seller Central में बहुत सारे tabs हैं, तो उसमें जो अगर कोशिश करेंगे हम लोग, advertisement tab, performance tab and reports tab.
Bhanaji, I'll request you teach us from the scratch how to create advertisement on Amazon. Suppose tomorrow we discontinue with this agency and we don't get anyone who's suitable for us, it is we can run.
Okay, so you can just
even if you can show us one product listing, so that you know, for the other products, you know, we can will know where are we going wrong.
The product listing already there, I think. You have
we have already listed 3.
But like, you know, how to like set up a store and how to, you know, like, you know, little bit, so that we know we are on the right track.
Right. So whatever product is already listed there, we can do the optimizations, and if you want, I will show you how to list one product from the scratch. And the third thing, setting up the advertisement is entirely different thing. Once the product listing is done, then the advertisement, and once advertisement is done, then the reporting and performance.
Yeah.
Right. Otherwise we'll take one more class. Otherwise, if something is left, we'll take another class.
Right. Okay, so done for the day.
Okay.
Yes. So tomorrow, what time?
You suggest me.
12.
12 is okay.
Is 12 okay for you?
Yeah, fine.
12. Okay.
Just in case, right now I'm saying yes, but right now my husband is not at home. We may go somewhere. One of my relative is going through some surgery, so वो Saturday Sunday का time रखा हुआ था. I'm not sure whether he will go tomorrow or not. If he will go, I will ask you to for the even earlier than that or later than that. I will inform you by the end of the.
Fine.
रात में मैं message डाल दूंगी.
Fair enough.
Okay, right. Not an issue.
और अगर नहीं गए तो 12 o'clock is all fine.
Okay, fine. Not an issue.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.